13. So first, he picks up the can, walks all the way. Now up in the bin, and he drop it inside. Good bird. Side one, he picks up the crumpled paper, walks all the way. Up in the bin, and drop it inside. Nice job, buddy. Last one, he picks up the plastic cup, walks all the way. Up in the bin, and drop it inside. Good bird, amigo. Now see if the bird can do it. Why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash in your trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to... That's right, godliness. Now, amigo, together with his fine feathered friends, has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, now here comes our flying macos. Now we have here a total of 6 blue and gold flying macaws named Harry, Hardy, Tony, Matt, Kyle, and Carl. So macaws are very adaptive, whatever environment. He picks up the letter H. Next one, buddy. He picks up the letter O. And for the third one. And he picks up the letter R. Now for the fourth letter, buddy. And he picks up the letter S. Now for the last letter, to complete the fourth word. Alright, take your time, no need to rush. Take your time, buddy. No need to rush, right? And he picks up the letter E. So, horse spells as H-O-R-S-E. So everyone, is it correct? Alright, so this kind of behavior showcases their intelligence. Number, he picks up the number 1. And to complete the 5 plus 8 jumbo. Alright, again, no need to rush. Take your time, buddy. And he picks up the number 3. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So everyone, is it correct? Alright, so a round of applause to our... I love you more than I can. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I love you more than I can. Now for